In this video of 1 2 step, I'm going to show you the exact way that you can fix Instagram username not available. If you're trying to change your current username of Instagram and it says that the username is not available, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end, because in this video I'm going to show you the things that you can try out that will help to solve your issue. So with that said, let's get right into the video. Head over to your profile section on the bottom right and then tap on edit profile so that you can try to change your username. Tap on the username option. Now this is the current username that I have. Now if I just remove one digit, which is 0, from my username, it says that the username is not available. Now this is happening because this exact username is taken by someone else. So this is the main reason why you're also facing this issue. So in this case, what you can try out is adding in some kind of variation. So you can add in maybe some kind of numbers, or you can also add in some kind of underscores or full stops or dots. This is available on Instagram and not other symbols. So if I type in something like this, you can see this username is now available. So you can try to make it simple by adding in some kind of numbers, underscores and a full stop or a period. So this way, after you try out a few variations, the username that is available and which is suitable for you will surely be available. So that is the exact way on how you can fix username not available. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are interested in more videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more uploads that we do.